Hi, this is Saos. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Penetration testing, or pen testing, is a controlled simulation of a cyber attack. It's a crucial practice in the field of cybersecurity designed to identify and address vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. Think of it as a comprehensive security checkup for computer systems, networks, and applications. Just like a doctor examines a patient to diagnose potential health issues, penetration testers scrutinize digital environments to uncover weaknesses. Ethical hackers, often referred to as the doctors of the digital world, perform these tests. They are skilled professionals who use their expertise to protect rather than harm. Their primary goal is to find and fix security weaknesses before real attackers can exploit them. Imagine a fortress with high walls and guards. Penetration testers act like friendly intruders trying to breach its defenses. They simulate attacks to test the strength of the fortress's defenses, ensuring that any vulnerabilities are identified and addressed. Penetration testers use a variety of methods to find vulnerabilities. This can include exploiting software flaws, misconfigurations, or even manipulating human behavior through social engineering tactics. For instance, they might look for bugs in software code, test for weak passwords, or attempt phishing attacks to see if employees can be tricked into revealing sensitive information. The information gathered from these tests is invaluable. It provides a detailed map of the system's weaknesses and helps organizations understand where they need to improve. By addressing these vulnerabilities, organizations can significantly strengthen their defenses, making it much harder for real attackers to succeed. Penetration testing is a proactive approach to cybersecurity. Instead of waiting for an attack to happen, organizations take the initiative to find and fix weaknesses in advance. It's about being one step ahead of cyber criminals, ensuring that systems are as secure as possible. By regularly conducting penetration tests, organizations can maintain a robust security posture and protect their valuable data and assets from potential threats. In today's digital age, data is incredibly valuable. Cyber attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Organizations must take cybersecurity seriously. This is where penetration testing plays a vital role. Penetration testing provides an objective assessment of security posture. It identifies vulnerabilities that automated scans might miss. This includes configuration errors and human factors. By simulating real-world attack scenarios, organizations can better understand their weaknesses. They can then prioritize remediation efforts. This proactive approach helps minimize the risk of data breaches and system downtime. There are different types of penetration tests, each with a unique approach. Black box testing simulates an external attack. The tester has no prior knowledge of the target system. White box testing is the opposite. Here, the tester has complete knowledge of the system. This simulates an attack from an insider threat. Gray box testing combines elements of both black box and white box testing. The tester has partial knowledge of the system. This approach mimics a more realistic attack scenario. A typical penetration test follows a structured methodology. This methodology ensures that every aspect of the system is thoroughly examined and no stone is left unturned. By adhering to a structured approach, penetration testers can systematically identify and address vulnerabilities, ensuring a comprehensive assessment. It usually involves 5 key phases. Each phase is crucial and builds upon the previous one, creating a robust framework for identifying and mitigating security risks. The first phase is planning and reconnaissance. This is the foundation of the penetration test, where the groundwork is laid for the entire process. This involves defining the scope of the test and gathering information about the target system. During this phase, testers work closely with the organization to understand the boundaries and objectives of the test. They gather as much information as possible about the target, including network architecture, operating systems, and potential entry points. The second phase is scanning. This phase is all about identifying potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Testers use automated tools to identify open ports and services. These tools can quickly scan large networks and provide valuable insights into the system's security posture. They also look for known vulnerabilities in software and systems. This includes checking for outdated software, misconfigurations, and other common security issues that could be exploited by attackers. The third phase is exploitation. This is where the real action begins. This involves attempting to exploit identified vulnerabilities. Testers use various techniques to try and gain unauthorized access to the system. The goal is to gain access to the system or sensitive data. By doing so, testers can demonstrate the potential impact of a real-world attack and help the organization understand the risks they face. The fourth phase is maintaining access. This phase tests the resilience of the system and the effectiveness of its defenses. Once inside, testers see how long they can maintain their access. They use various techniques to stay undetected and maintain their foothold in the system. They also assess the potential damage they could cause. This helps the organization understand the severity of the vulnerabilities and prioritize their remediation efforts. The final phase is reporting. This is where all the findings are documented and presented to the organization. Testers document their findings and provide recommendations for remediation. The report includes detailed information about the vulnerabilities discovered, the methods used to exploit them, and the potential impact of each vulnerability. The report helps the organization improve its security posture. By addressing the vulnerabilities identified during the penetration test, the organization can strengthen its defenses and reduce the risk of a successful attack in the future. This continuous improvement process is essential for maintaining a strong security posture in an ever-evolving threat landscape. Section 5. Essential tools and techniques. In this section, we will delve into the critical tools and techniques that penetration testers rely on to uncover vulnerabilities and secure systems. Penetration testers utilize a variety of tools and techniques to simulate attacks and identify weaknesses in systems. These tools range from network scanners to exploit frameworks, each serving a unique purpose in the testing process. Nmap, for instance, is a powerful network scanner that is widely used in the industry. It helps testers map out the network, identifying hosts and services that are active. By using Nmap, testers can discover open ports, detect operating systems, and gather valuable information about the network structure. This information is crucial for planning further testing activities. Another essential tool is Metasploit, a popular framework for developing and executing exploits. Metasploit provides a vast library of pre-built exploits, making it easier for testers to find and exploit vulnerabilities. With Metasploit, testers can simulate real-world attacks, test the effectiveness of security measures, and identify potential entry points for attackers. Burp Suite is another indispensable tool, particularly for web application testing. It is a comprehensive web vulnerability scanner and exploitation tool that helps identify and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. Burp Suite's features include intercepting proxy, scanner, and repeater, which allow testers to manipulate and analyze web traffic, uncovering hidden security flaws. Wishark is a network protocol analyzer that allows testers to capture and analyze network traffic. By examining the data packets, testers can identify anomalies, security weaknesses, and potential threats. Wireshark's detailed analysis capabilities make it an invaluable tool for understanding network behavior and diagnosing issues that could be exploited by attackers. Beyond technical tools, social engineering techniques are also crucial. These techniques exploit human psychology to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information or performing actions that compromise security. Social engineering attacks can be highly effective as they target the human element, often considered the weakest link in security. By understanding and utilizing these tools and techniques, penetration testers can comprehensively assess and enhance the security posture of an organization. Section 6. Ethical considerations in penetration testing. Ethical hacking is built on a foundation of ethics and responsibility. It's crucial to obtain proper authorization before conducting any penetration testing activities. Testers must respect data privacy and confidentiality. They should only access data that is within the scope of the test. All findings should be reported responsibly to the organization. The goal is to help organizations improve their security, not to cause harm. Ethical hackers play a vital role in making the digital world a safer place. Section 7. Learning resources for aspiring penetration testers. Numerous resources are available for individuals interested in pursuing a career in penetration testing. Online platforms like Cybersecurity, Udemy, and Coursera offer comprehensive courses. Practical labs and virtual environments provide hands-on experience. Capture the Flag, CTF competitions offer a fun and challenging way to test skills. Industry-recognized certifications, such as the Certified Ethical Hacker, validate expertise. These certifications demonstrate a commitment to ethical hacking principles. Section 8. Career paths in penetration testing. The field of cybersecurity offers diverse career paths for skilled penetration testers. Penetration testers are in high demand across various industries. They are responsible for identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in systems and networks. Security analysts play a crucial role in incident response and threat intelligence. They analyze security events, identify patterns, and recommend mitigation strategies. Ethical hackers use their skills to proactively identify and address vulnerabilities, protecting organizations from cyber attacks. Bounty hunters are rewarded for discovering and reporting vulnerabilities to organizations. Section 9. Conclusion: embracing ethical hacking for a secure future. Penetration testing is an indispensable component of a robust cybersecurity strategy. It provides organizations with the insights they need to strengthen their defenses and protect their valuable assets. By embracing ethical hacking principles, we can create a safer digital world for individuals and organizations alike. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals continues to grow, offering exciting career opportunities for those passionate about this field.